Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best Tzatziki. First, you'll want to prepare your cucumber. Grate one large cucumber and then squeeze out as much excess water as possible, aiming to reduce its volume by about 1/4. This prevents a watery Tzatziki. Next, measure out 16 ounces of full-fat Greek yogurt. Its thickness is crucial. Finally, finely mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic to ensure its flavor is well distributed throughout the dip. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a medium bowl, combine your prepared Greek yogurt, the drained cucumber, and the minced garlic. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil, which adds a lovely richness. Next, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the entire dip. Finish by seasoning with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. For the final touches, stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill or mint. Both herbs work wonderfully, so choose your favorite or use a mix. Once everything is thoroughly combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate your tzatziki for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your perfectly chilled tzatziki with warm pita bread, crisp vegetables, or as a refreshing accompaniment to grilled meats. Here are a few extra tips to elevate your tzatziki. If you prefer a bit more tang, consider adding 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar to the mixture. It really enhances the overall flavor profile. Any leftover tzatziki can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its freshness. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it. Enjoy your delicious homemade tzatziki.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.